I'm very excited that we are coming to Trentino. We needed to enhance our capabilities in mainland Europe. We looked in a lot of countries, 9 countries we looked in. Italy was a short list of countries, and what I like about what has been built in Trentino is the environment and the number of different companies that are focusing on energy efficiency and green. So along with the facilities which are top class, the team which is very, very good and has helped us set up very, very quickly, the environment with the sorts of technologies that are there for renewables, for energy efficiency and for measurement, I think will allow us to create better solutions in this environment. So that's why we decided to come to B Factory and also to come to Trentino. This plant in Rovereto is basically going to service our worldwide customer base. We have a large customer base in Southeast Asia, we have a large customer base in Middle East, and also a building customer base in mainland Europe, so Scandinavia as well as mainland Europe and Italy. So we're building this plant to service instruments and meters for all these markets, and that will also allow us to build a stronger base in Italy as a customer base, and more and more solutions for energy efficiency and energy metering that we can put into the Italian market. So I think immediately we need sort of medium skilled people, people who can do technical work. I call them sort of technicians. But I think the energy industry in the future is going to need a very, very different skill set, along with a lot of the physical work which is needed, electrical work that's needed, medium voltage and low voltage in residences. I think there's going to be an added skill set which is needed around data analytics and actually understanding how the electrical systems work. Unfortunately, over the last 15 years, I feel around the world, the knowledge of electrical systems has reduced. So along with a strong knowledge of the electrical systems, you need the data analytics. And I think that will be a very, very powerful combination in the new students that are coming through. And I particularly like some of the courses like on the mechatronics course, because those are the really important bits. It's about mechanics, it's about electronics, and it's about data. I think that's going to be a very, very good combination coming through for us.